The good news today, which I'm sharing with my candidates, is 300 plus successes. I'm going to answer your all queries, ki, sir, why the selection process is like that? And I'll be very happy. The deeper the question, the more complex the question, the better is the learning.
Download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access courses for written exams like NDA, CDS, and FCAT. You can also find courses for SSB Personality Development and Spoken English. Apply the coupon code SIGNUP15 to get 15% off on your first purchase. Call us on 725-930-7111 for any queries.
Okay guys, so I'm going to start today with a beautiful news, very good news. Guys, those who are sitting here, 43 of you to be exact, I can assure you our selection rate is 25 to 27%. Imagine how many of you are going to get selected in the first chance. What chance? First chance. If you include the second chance, then it goes to 40%. The records prove it. The good news today, which I'm sharing with my candidates, is 300 plus successes. 300 plus or 304 or 5 of our candidates have got selected. In fact, this morning, I celebrated success of another successful candidate. You would have seen, some of you would have seen the video in the Instagram. And the beauty is, out of these 300 plus candidates, fairly a large person are also from our online classes, to be honest. You know, approximately, say 26 to 30% get selected from our online classes, those who take my interviews, those who take those 14 days online course. How many of you have taken that? You see, one chap has taken, because they do not usually come for this course, they take it online. And you'll be surprised, this selection, can you believe out of this 300, around 88 to 90, nearly 30% are all those who are purely dependent on online classes. Interviews, psych tests, or 14 days course, or personality development course. Look at this. So 30% of them are those. Now you have come to the best academy of this country, let me tell you this. And this is going to be a transformational experience for all of you. Your life is going to change, provided you support yourself. We are here to guide you, to mentor you, and also to transform you by inner engineering. So everything which is required for personality development, officer-like qualities, and what is required to pass in the SSB, that mindset, which we call it 3.6% mindset, because only 3.5% people have that mindset of getting success in the SSB. So we will ensure that you people develop that mindset, and we are going to guide you at each and every step. So what you expect from us here? What do you expect from this academy? That is what I'm going to share with you in the very first slide. Look at the slide. The first thing, guys, we will not only explain you the process of the SSB. We'll also explain you the thought behind it. That's the main thing. Why the SSB process is like that? So you understand the intricacies of that. Why the psych tests are there like that? Why the interview process? We have the CIQs. Why we ask about your strength and weaknesses? Why you have to do your self-introspection? There is a reason, there is a thought behind the selection process. That's why it is one of the best selection process. And that thought we are going to share with you. I'm going to answer your all queries, ki, sir, why this selection process is like that? And I'll be very happy. The deeper the question, the more complex the question, the better is the learning. So don't hesitate and never keep your question to yourself, and you'll find me answering each and every question of yours. Okay? So we are going to explain you the thought behind the SSB process. Secondly, guys, be ready. You will be undergoing numerous tests in the SSB environment. Right from your psychological test. See this. You will undergo those full tests of psych 5 times. Oh my God. 4 is compulsory, 5th is up to us. Depending on the time and your requirement, we will conduct these tests in the SSB environment. So you guys become confident. Why do we do that? Simple, guys. We do that simply because if you check the results of the SSB, there may have been large number of repeaters who got screened out or who got conference out here. Raise hands. Conference out and screened out as well. Quite a few. Still, there are about 7, 8 of them down. Ask these guys. I can tell you their answer. You ask them, why did you not make it in the SSB first time? Why did you get screened out or conference out? The answer will be 190% will give you this answer, which I am giving you now with my experience. They'll say, I was not well prepared. I didn't know the process actually, how to go about it. I thought that you are supposed to go just like that, and most of you generally tend to get through. It's not like that, guys. See this. You learn first time after failing at great cost that SSB requires a lot of preparation, guys. Imagine your general awareness. Imagine your power of expression. Imagine you got to have a good confidence level. Imagine you know how to write the stories. How can you do it without knowing a thing about it? Can you? And ask these guys, then you learn this thing at a very great cost. Then you learn, oh my God, I should have prepared. I'm so happy with the guys who have come for the first time, guys. They are taking it seriously. As I always say, it is my famous dialogue, one of my famous dialogue. First chance is your golden chance, guys. And those guys who have come first time before going for the SSB, they have taken a good decision. They are really lucky. And I can assure you, your chances are far higher.
Are you preparing for defense written exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT or Sainik School Entrance Exam? Join our written exam preparation courses, practice mock tests and get expert mentor support. Call us at 725-940-7111.
I have no doubt in saying that. See, you woke up on time and you are preparing yourself. Look at this. So you will be undergoing all the tests in a such environment, particularly which are the tests which you will undergo. That's what you should expect from SSB Short Academy. Imagine you will go your stage 1, minimum 3 times, will conduct your stage 1. I will be even conducting a demo very shortly, maybe today or tomorrow. Look at that. We'll conduct your psych tests 4 to 5 times till the time you get exhausted. And my psychologist will be giving a feedback to each one of you. Can you believe it, guys? Each one of you, a psych feedback will be given, which no academy can afford to give. Other than that, each one of you will be interviewed. Are you aware of that? And you know who's going to interview you? We have 2 brigadiers. And one of them is the ex-president of Kapurthala board. He will be interviewing you, each one of you. And I will be taking a demo interview where you will see me taking a demo interview of one of the candidates who gets that lottery. Okay? And in that you will all will see that. That's very interesting. That will take place on maybe 6th or 7th day. It's a very interesting experience you will be going through. It will be conducted in this hall only. And you will be watching that interview. Okay, guys? So, and beside that, after that interview, each one of you will be interviewed. You will be told what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, which are the areas you got to improve upon, guys. We are not going to leave you like that. We are not going to leave you like that. Okay? See this. Your GD, your lecturate, your group planning, very, very important. Not only once we do your group planning, minimum twice, same. And you can practice the most beautiful GTO course. Have you been there? Yes, sir. How did you like it? Great, sir. See this, all the obstacles GOR, individual obstacles, are virtually at par with the SSB. You will not get a better GTO course than this, and you will realize it very soon. Okay? So we are going to do it everything the way it takes place in the SSB. The next point is basically what's our aim, guys? Our aim is to identify your own mistakes. If you don't know your own mistakes, your own shortcomings, how the hell can you improve on that? Can you? So it's better to know your own shortcomings. Yeah, others are good in this, I am not very good in that. Others are physically fit, I need to improve upon that. Others are absolutely physically, they are very energetic and I am overweight. I am not like that. See this, these are the things. And guys, ensure till the time you are here, two things are compulsory here. One, the only language which is permitted in this academy is English. Don't do that mistake of speaking in Hindi here. And you know who will be ensuring this? I always rely on military people. Raise hands. Army. 1, 2, 3. One more was there. Raise hand. Loud. Higher. One more was there. Army person. Only 3. Who is the senior most? What is your rank? Haldar, sit down. Haldar will be the boss number 1. Who is the next senior? Yeah, one of you, whoever is the senior, will be the boss number 2. He will be boss number 3. And who is the civilian who think out of you smart enough and who can take the leadership role? 1. Good. What's your name? He will be your assistant. Okay? Make him your ADC. Okay, I am giving you an ADC as a Haldar. So use him, he will be very good. Why I give the leadership to the military people? Please ensure nobody speaks in Hindi. And you better follow that. The second rule here, and don't violate that rule, don't be late. That's why Faujis are your leader. And last thing, but not the least, please ensure you play games in the evening. We have put volleyball. Why we have put? Because you people hardly write any games in your PIQ. So playing volleyball and knowing the rules of the volleyball is a must. Why? Because tomorrow you can write one game in your PIQ for volleyball. Who is the best player of volleyball here? Best player of volleyball. Raise hand who has played. Anybody knows volleyball rules, regulations? 1. Anybody else? You will conduct the volleyball every day. Somebody can help him if you can. You will help him and you will help him. These 3 will conduct volleyball every day. Teach them volleyball. Teach them the rules of the game so that everybody learns. There are 2 courts. Hawaldarji is ensure that you activate both the courts. Okay? It is your academy. It's your home. Make the best of it. Okay? Make the best of it. So these points you should remember that. Okay, guys? So we will give you a live demo, I told you, and we'll tell you how you are assessed in the SSB, guys. How you are assessed. And we do the assessment of yours exactly in the similar manner. The interviewing officer will assess you exactly in the similar manner. The psychologist will assess you exactly in the similar manner. The GTO will assess you exactly in the similar manner, because for GTO, giving a feedback to each one is very, very difficult. But he will ensure that all your questions are undertaken. If you ask him anything, he will answer that. Okay? So that is, otherwise 43 people, one chap takes a lot of time in that, but still we'll try our best in that. Okay? Okay guys, so that's what, please make your WhatsApp group today. I want 2 volunteers for WhatsApp group as admins. 2 volunteers who are technically good. Already made. Perfectly fine. Okay. So you 2 will be the admins, whoever has been detailed. Be the admin of that. Admins have been detailed? Yes, sir. Oh, very good. Okay. Okay guys. So with this, we are going to embark on the journey of next exciting 12 days, which is going to be transformational, where you are going to learn a lot and you will love this academy after that. What happens here, all those guys who get their interview here in Bangalore or in Mysore, you will come here again. And you see, the administration of this academy is run by the ex-student. Have you seen this? All are our interns, some of them, and all our interns who serve here for 6 to 8 months, 1 year, all get selected. God's grace. There are pilots, there are army officers already who are from this academy. Large number of them, and some of you are going to join that league. Some of you, if your performance is very good, because to become an intern here, you are not only staying and learning and working here totally, absolutely free of cost, but we also pay you incentives. But we only do it for selected guys. And you will have to write an application in the end. All those who want to be here, we may call you thereafter. Some of you can work online, some of you who are volunteer can stay here, but write an application, and if you are keen, you can stay here. Absolutely free of cost. Khana, pina, rehna, training, everything is free after this course. And also, you are paid some incentive. There are guys who are getting paid very handsomely. But we test you for usually up to 3 months, we test you. After that, we consider this. Is that understood? Yes, sir. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel SSB SureShot Plus for exclusive new videos. Also follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Check out a SureShot guide to crack SSB on Amazon. The link is in the description below.